When I say it's like nobody out here, there's like nobody out here. Things to do on a bus road trip. Make a phone call. See if your friends, family pick up the phone. If they don't, they'll probably call you right back. It's all good. Listen to music or a podcast. Whenever I'm tired of music, I switch over to podcasts, and that usually gets me in the mood for listening to more music. But sometimes, music just gets repetitive, and just need a podcast just to break the flow of the music and change it up a bit. Stare out the window because you left your book in studio that you usually travel with, and you didn't eat breakfast today, so you just kind of have to deal with it for the next few hours. That's what it's like taking a road trip sometimes.